right, number 1 here, we've got the graph of a linear function is shown on the coordinate grid. What are the slope and the y-intercept of the function? Fill in the blanks with the numbers in the box provided, slope and y-intercept. The easiest thing I like to start with, we know we need that y-intercept. A y-intercept is where our line crosses that y-axis. So here's our line, and here's our y-axis. They cross at this -2. So that is 0 on my x line and -2 on my y line, because remember, coordinate points are x comma y. We've got 2 coordinate points given here, so we can find slope multiple ways using the slope formula with these 2 points. You could also put it in a table, do change in y divided by change in x, or rise over run. So let's start by putting these in a table. I've got my x value, my y value, -4, -3, and 4, -1. So you can find slope, which is the m. I'm going to do change in y divided by change in x, and then we'll do rise over run. So my change in the y value from -3 to -1, that is +2. The change in x to get from -4 to +4 is +8. Change in y value goes on top, change in x on bottom, and these, we can simplify this. Both are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 will give me 1/4. So my slope here is 1/4. Or if you were using a calculator, you could have done 2 divided by 8 and gotten the decimal 0.25. You can also find it using rise over run. That means I need 2 pretty points, and I've got a pretty point at my y-intercept. Another pretty point over here I'm going to use is 4, -1. I go up 1. That's my rise, the top number. And I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this graph was counting by ones, and my slope was 1/4. I went up 1 and over 4.